Well-tuned beats is a project about exploring beats. Beats occur when you have two periodic waveforms which are similar but not identical in frequency. So for example, if we play a sine tone and then play a second sine tone which has a difference in frequency of 1 Hz, then beats will occur at the difference, which is 1 Hz or once per second. That is the most basic form of beating that you can get, but if you introduce a third sine tone, then you can start to create more complex beat patterns. This particular one is now 3 Hz below the original. And combining lots of these sine tones, you can create really complex beat patterns. The thing that makes beats so interesting to explore is the fact that they are three-dimensional. They happen in space. Beating can occur at the speaker. It happens electrically when sine tones combine before they're reproduced, but more interestingly, beating occurs in the room, in the air, and the points where the nodes and the antinodes meet up vary throughout the room. And the great thing about well-tuned beats is that you can explore this space. We're basically creating a three-dimensional sonic landscape, and no 2 points of the room sound exactly the same. So we have the drone, which consists of 4 banks of sine tones. We also have 2 gestures on top of that. And these combine together to make all these different beat relationships. Convergence and divergence of sine tones is important to well-tuned beats. Within each of the banks, the sine tones will start at a specific frequency and end at a different frequency. Now within a bank, we may have sine tones that will start together and then diverge, or we'll have sine tones which start further apart and then converge, and as they do that, the beat frequencies between them change. Listening to well-tuned beats is really important. There are no 2 parts within the quadraphonic array which sound the same. Because each of the sine tones start and end at a different point, the beat relationships are always changing. So even if you do sit still, you perceive some of these changes. But the most interesting experience can be gained from well-tuned beats by improvising listening, or in other words, not being static in your listening. You have to seek out different beat relationships and different beat frequencies. By moving round in the square that's contained by the quadraphonic array, you can find your own rhythms.